Okay, I recently got myself these tins. They came in from Germany. These are the ones which are, used for bioethanol fireplaces. About half a liter each. They're not actually too physically massive. I can hold one in my hands. Okay. And I put some of my homemade bioethanol in that one particular can. I wanted to make sure that the flame height and flame pattern would be a little safer than my rather dodgy and leaky homemade alcohol stoves, and to be able to put a larger volume in them. And that's why I wanted to get my hands on these things. And also I was thinking about adjusting them in terms of usage for cooking, basically, because if they are going to give off maybe a kilowatts worth of power consistently, and it does feel like it's that kind of energy that could easily be used to boil my water and so on and so forth. So I've got 6 of these things now. So what I can do is I'm never going to fill them right up to the top, because I think that would be very dangerous. I'll only put like about a quarter's worth in, being I think it's about 1 hour's worth of burn time for a quarter full, and then just leave it and let it run out, and then put more into the canner, improvised bioethanol fireplace when I require a bit more heat. So that's the way I'm going to be playing it. As far as can I use that on my stovetop, I think that could be a little risky, so I'm not going to do that. But I might find a way of adjusting the top of my canner with, I don't know, a couple of skewers or a bit of griddling of some sorts, so I can rest pans on top of this one particular cooking pot, and then indeed do some cooking here using the same bioethanol containers. And then also eventually to think about the possibility of getting some kind of large water heater that I can place 3 or 4 of these underneath, set fire to the burners, and use that to boil, create enough hot water for me to bathe, shave, do domestic cleaning and so on and so forth. So there's further plans afoot, but at the moment I'm just enjoying a nice relaxing lunch break whilst watching the beautiful homemade fireplace, which is really quite nice if you consider the work that's gone into doing this on a budget. There we go.